I please have your attention? Yep, this is how we roll.
You still feel. Oh.
You just got pranked.
Alright guys, hooked on history, we are headed to a permission. Our most recent permission. 1700s house, tons of land. We have trouble with us. And in the back there, we have Joe.
He stole my seat.
Yep, Chris comes and he takes the front seat.
That's what you get when I come with you. You better get the front seat before I do, or else you're not getting it.
It's true.
Alright, so we just got here. We've been here 5 minutes. And Joe just said silver. So let's see what he's got. That was fast, Joe.
Yeah.
Old or new?
Didn't even take it out yet.
Ooh, I see an edge.
Oh, I wish. Let's see. Rosie.
Oh, where's it?
Okay.
1956.
Nice. Man,
Sponsored by
that was your
Deus.
first signal, huh?
Yeah.
We've been here 5 minutes. Okay, cool.
Awesome.
Awesome. See you on the next, guys. I'm going back over to a new spot. Come on down. Ooh, it's got a design.
What do you got?
Oh, wow. Look at that. It's a flat button. That's pretty cool.
Huh.
We don't usually get them designed, at least not that small.
Yeah.
It's an old Tomback, too.
Turn this off.
Tomback, broken shank. Oh, so that's an oldie, man. Very cool.
Wow.
I don't know what that is, if that's a flower or something. Figure it out later.
Yeah.
3 inches deep. Alright, guys. See you in the next.
Alright guys, I just dug another signal. It's about 4 inches deep. And I pulled out this little piece of a pocket watch. Look at how decorative it is. Designs all over it. Hopefully the rest of it's around here somewhere. That would be pretty cool. We'll see you on the next.
Okay, guys. Got another flat button. Deep sucker. And it's just a little one again. This part of the yard is old, that's for sure. Back markers there. It's cool. Still looking for something real good. Keep going. Alright guys, just dug a hem weight. About 8 inches deep. Right alongside the driveway here. Always cool to find. Whoops. Cool. See you in the next.
Alright guys, I just dug a little hole about 3-4 inches deep. And I just dug the smallest axe head we've ever found. Cool little hatchet. About the size of my hand. A little smaller.
Alright, what do you got now?
Another heartbreaking buckle.
Ooh, looks pretty cool. These 2 different pieces again.
Yep.
Oh wow.
Bummer.
This looks like one of the belts
Huh?
you found. That looks like a piece to one of the belts you found in the other video.
Mm-hmm. It's Colonial. I think, anyway. Certainly looks it. Alright. Bummer. Hey guys, hooked on history. We've got a new permission today, a 1930s farmhouse. Maybe a little older. Joe just got a good signal.
Just fell out of the plug.
There you go. Beautiful. Merc.
I think so. I'm literally right on the curb. 1941.
Nice.
Awesome.
See it.
I'm gonna get out my spray bottle if I have it.
Figure we stay out of the woods for a little while.
Yeah.
And find some silver. Whoops.
Sorry. Clean it off.
Nice.
Wow, in great condition too.
I've dug 2 Wheaties. Yeah, looks good.
Awesome.
Awesome. So, Joe's digging around the porch. It's not a big yard. I'm digging over here near the driveway. 2 wheats and a little bit of junk. I think I got something in the hole right now, though. Let's see what it is. It was a lower tone. Grass is tall. A buddy of mine's flipping this house. So he gives me access. There it is. Junk.
Alright guys, so I just dug a signal that was about 7-8 inches deep, and I pulled out the top to an old compact, and I'm actually gonna spray it off right now and see what's on it, because there is some designs on it. Looks like almost painted on. I'm just getting my water out. Alright, so here it is. It's actually, I was holding it upside down before. There is a picture of New York on it. Washington. Can't tell what this one is. Los Angeles, I think. Pretty cool looking. I'd say that's older. Maybe 50s. I could be wrong though. I don't know. Cool looking. Deep. We'll see on the next. Okay guys, Dad just called me over. He's got a silver quarter. Let's see.
A lot of clad quarters right in this general area, but that one's silver.
Yeah, 1940 something. Let me get out my spray bottle. Here.
It's been a while since we got a silver quarter.
Yeah, this is the first one this year, I think.
That's pretty sad. We've been hunting more of the woods, so we're not getting the silvers like we used to.
45.
Nice.
Let's see. Any mint mark? No mint mark.
You got a 947 over there?
Yeah, that's what I was just digging. We'll see. That's awesome though. Silver
Yeah,
quarter.
baby.
That's what I said too. Let the next one be a silver quarter, and it's a silver quarter.
Nice. Alright guys, look at the grass. This is what we're trying to detect in. My shoulder's actually killing me from just hitting and stopping. All tall. Alright, we'll see you on the next.